Hey guys, what's up? Today here we are doing Life of Wolf Reboot. Now the reason why I'm going to be starting on this one is because I do not want to kill the snakes anymore since I already died like how many times? Like 4 times, and I'm getting kind of tired of that. So let me go ahead and just do this. Due to my carelessness, the baby tiger was almost killed. As I resolved, I was kicked out. Move out of the hiding zone. Yeah. This always so dumb. The reason why it didn't exactly work is because, oh wow, I just found some new line of anyway. It's because Internet is so dumb that even that wouldn't work. And I actually wanted to get a new pet. Do you know how many times? Yes. That's perfect. Next mission. While blaming myself, the fat wolf led me. Follow the fat wolf. And then I'm just gonna go. I want to further. Yeah, I'm just gonna climb up here. I'm not sure where he is. Oh, right there. He's right there. Go. Yeah, that one I am looking at. Yeah. Tigers make their home makes their home in small and dark places like caves. They eventually, like Arabs, confront on all 4 sizes safely is their, priority. Priority, that's what that word is. Providing making homes for the baby tiger so feel safe and preserved. I actually saw that. Go. You can't catch me! Oh wait, actually no, you can! Yours is so fast. Jumping's even faster. Oh, look at that, this flash. That always worries me. Hi, tiger! Ah! Run! Run! tiny legs. The baby tiger likes the new home very much and goes inside it. Looking at this, the black tiger erases anger and decides to join us. Beat the monsters. Nice snake tail and 2 heads. Come on! We can do this! Oh, there goes the fat one! So far, this thing has not attacked the black tiger, which is amazing. Oh, now it's going after the black tiger and me. Nice job, black tiger. Chapter 5, Lands of Death. Blah, blah, blah. Just trying to get this as fast as I can. The Lands of Death. After a gigantic fireball fell on here, the land became a something area with no flowers and trees go. With the unfightable monsters who were born there. The animals in the forest started changing. Woo! Creepy. In this place where no life can be seen to live, there is a smell of an unfamiliar life that I have never smelled before. Find out whose smell it is. No, this smell is actually from dogs, but they're not just any kind of dogs. They're zombie dogs. Yep, the scent is growing bigger and bigger every second. And it's getting stronger and stronger. Okay, here we go. The new one I have not did. There were zombie wolves at the end of the smell. I need to find a way to avoid their something. We cornered the 3 areas. This is why I don't like them in here when I'm doing this. Okay, one over there as well. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes. I think I just lost my con legs. Oh. There. my animals for the bait. Okay, this is probably going to be my last class, okay, you guys? So I just have to hope that it does not. I just have to hope that the internet lets me upload this. Oh, hang on. Ow. Don't like these spikes. Well, I'm going to kill this big thing, the boar, because it's like the only one that's going to get rid of us. And plus, it's not that strong. Oh shoot, I didn't know that there was hyenas over here. But it's already dead. It's already dead, so I'm fine. It sounds like a goat. Yeah, I did it. Next mission. Well guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make